Today, we will be installing Trafalgar's FyreSHIELD access panel. FyreSHIELD is a proudly Australian made and owned access panel system which has been designed and tested to be built into walls and riser shafts. We'll be installing FyreSHIELD in Trafalgar Corex shaft wall, a lightweight, high-performance fire-rated board that is suited to various applications. Before we get started, you will need a drill, some plasterboard screws, FyreFlex sealant, Trafalgar Corex riser shaft wall, and a reciprocating saw. Our FyreSHIELDs come slightly undersized to suit the cutout, so when you're ordering a 300 by 300 FyreSHIELD, for example, make sure the cutout in your wall is also 300 by 300 millimeters. Begin by making your cutout, framing, and lining the opening with 64mm stud and at least 25mm Corex. You can use multiple thinner layers to make up the 25mm. Be sure to line all the way around your steel framing to enhance stability and strength. This must be repeated on both sides of the wall to ensure two-way FRL performance. Apply FyreFlex sealant to fill any gaps between the wall and the aperture lining. Place a bead of FyreFlex sealant along the perimeter of the FyreSHIELD flange. Fit the access panel into your frame and apply pressure to ensure it's stuck to the sealant. Fix the FyreSHIELD into the stud with minimum 10 gauge by 100mm plasterboard screws. Finish off by thickening the front of the wall with 100mm wide pieces of Corex. The number of layers depends on the FRL of the wall. For exact specifications, download the FyreSHIELD technical manual in the description. Additionally, you can tape, set and paint the final installation if required. The FyreSHIELD is at the forefront of fire-rated access panels at Trafalgar Fire, and we are proud to be constantly improving and expanding our range of approvals. For more information on FyreSHIELD, get in touch with our technical support team or visit our website.